Hi everybody, welcome to this class. In this class we will study logical operators. Logical operators are the symbol or operator which are used to perform logical operation. Logical operation can be and or not. These are the three logical operation: and, or, and not. This operation always returns boolean values. These operator returns always boolean values. These operators are used to combine two or more conditions. Basically, these are used to combine two or more conditions. In logical operator, second condition is not evaluated if first condition return false. These operators are used extensively to test condition for making decisions. First logical operator is logical AND. It can be represented with the help of double ampersand. This operator returns true when both the conditions under testing are true. If even one of those two conditions is false, the operator will return false. We can look here, it is a syntax condition 1 and condition 2. If condition 1 is true, condition 2 is true, then it will return true. If condition 1 is false and second is true, then it will return false. If condition 1 is true, second is false, still then it will return false. If both conditions are false like this, it still then it will return false. And second is logical OR operator. Logical OR. This operator returns true when one of the two condition is true. One of the two conditions under testing are true. To make the result false, both conditions needs to return false. We can look here, it's the syntax condition 1 OR operator condition 2. Pipe symbol is the operator for OR logical operator. Is a symbol for logical OR operators. We can look here, true or true will true, but if one condition is false or second condition is true, then it will return true. And if first condition is true, second is false, still then it will return true. And if both are false, then it will return false. So it is just opposite to the AND operation. Now here is logical NOT operator. It is unary operator. It is unary operator and returns true when condition under testing is not satisfied. Basically, if condition is false, it returns true, and when condition is true, it returns false. Syntax is like this, and we can look here truth table for logical NOT. True, not true will be false, and false, not false will be true. Now we have to solve an expression based on the logical operation. First, we have to understand its priority. NOT is the superior in case of priority. After that, we'll solve and at last we will solve OR operator. Here is an example that we have to sort. These are the values of A, B and C. So first of all, we will put all these values in this expression. We did it here. Now we can look here. Here are divide and lesser than. Divide operator is of high priority as compared to lesser than. So first of all, we will solve division operator, but these division operator are two, so we will solve them according to the associativity rule. They will execute from left to right. So first of all, we will solve this operation. It will become 0 because 20 cannot divide 11, and it is not in point, while none of them is in decimal value, so decimal will not return. If it will be like this 20.0 or 11.0, in that case we can get pointed result, but because both are integer, so it will convert it to 0. Now we'll sort this part will be solved in second case. We can look here. Here is this value in decimal, so it returns pointed value, that is 6.5. Now both higher priority operator division has been solved. Now we have to solve equals to, not equals to and lesser than. So first of all, we will solve according to this rule AND operation. In case of AND operation, we will solve here 0.0 condition is true and 6.5 not equals to 0. This condition is also true. When both these condition returns true, so this condition will return, sorry, this part left. 7 less than 0, this condition is false. Now we'll solve AND operation. True and true will return true, and now true and false will return true, or false will return true. So like this we can solve logical operation. Now we will make a program based on this expression. For this we'll open Notepad, we'll take a class logical operation. We will take main method, and here we will take variable integer a equals to 11, b equals to 13, and c equals to 7. Boolean result equals to a divided by 20 equals to 0.0, and b divided by 2.0 not equals to 0.0, or c lesser than 0.0. Print this statement. We'll go to file, save, my computer, C drive, JDK, bin, logical operation. We'll open command prompt, cd slash to go to root directory, cd jdk, tab, cd bin, java logical operation dot java, java logical operation true. This result is true, and this result is also true. So we solve this problem in a correct way. So like this we can solve with the help of program this problem also. And here is the exercise that you can sort out at your home. It is for your practice. If you have some problem in this exercise or in this program, you can ask me through comment, and I hope this video will be helpful for you. If it is helpful for you, you can like this video, can share this video, and can subscribe my channel for more videos related to the topics. If somebody wants to learn all these tutorial in Hindi, he can visit my second channel. Link of the channel is present in the description of this video, in this video description. And if you want to learn theoretical concept, you can visit my blog also. Over there you can study all this material along with theory. Thanks for watching.